Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel FPJ Made Easy. On this channel you will learn about the FPJ technology and programming from basic to advanced level. In this series of videos we started to learn about Verilog HDL. For more videos subscribe to this channel and follow us on Facebook page for the notification. In this video our learning objective is to discuss more about gate level modeling. And we discuss and implement various multiplexer designs in Verilog HDL, such as 2 to 1 multiplexer and 4 to 1 multiplexer. So let's start. By definition, a multiplexer is defined as a digital multiplexer or a data selector is a logic circuit that accepts several digital data inputs and select one of them at any given time to pass on to the output. The general block diagram is shown here. In this diagram, these I0, I1 and In-1 are the input data channels which are routed to the output one by one using the select inputs. The routing of the desired data input to the output is controlled by select inputs. So now we will discuss about basic 2 input multiplexer. The truth table is shown here. When the select input S is 0, then I0 first channel will be routed to the output. When the select input is 1, then I1 input routed to the output. So if we want to calculate the digital expression, it will look like this. And this is the general diagram for the multiplexer, where A and B are the inputs, cell is the select input, and out is the output of the multiplexer. The schematic diagram circuit is shown here for 2 to 1 multiplexer at the gate level. So we write the Verilog code to implement 2 to 1 multiplexer is shown here. As we know that the code starts with the keyword module and followed by the module name. Here we put the module name is MUX 2 to 1. Now what are the inputs and outputs of this circuit? If we see in the figure, the inputs are I1 and I0 and select input, and the output is Z. So in the next statement we describe the input and output separately. After that, the internal signal are described as a wire data type. So the internal signals are S underscore bar, N and M. These are declared as a wire data type. Now this S bar is calculated using the NOT gate, where S signal is inverted and S bar is obtained. Similarly, AND gate 1 and AND gate 2 are used to calculate this expression, and OR gate are used to combine this expression, and we obtain the output Z, and the code is AND with the keyword AND module. Now we discuss 4 input multiplexer. In this diagram we can see here that there are 4 input channels, and because there are 4 input channels, so we require 2 select inputs. So in the truth table we can see that for 2 select inputs we have 4 possible combinations. So for 0 0 we select I0. For 0 1 we select I1 to the output. And for 1 0 we obtain I2 at the output. Similarly for 1 1 we obtain I3 at the output. So here it shows the schematic diagram for the 4 input multiplexer, and in this way 4 input multiplexer. Now the code for 4 input multiplexer is in the same way we write 2 input multiplexer with the keyword module, and then we give the name of the module, which is mux421. Then we describe all the input output of the circuits as we see on this line. These are the inputs and this is the output. After that we describe the input output separately, and the internal wires or connectors are described using the wire data type. Then according to the structure of this 4 input multiplexer, we use the built-in primitives for NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate as shown in this figure. Then AND module will end this code for this 4 to 1 multiplexer. Now for the practice problem, you can write Verilog code to implement multiplexer 8 to 1. Here hint is select inputs will be 3, because when the inputs are 3 you can select 2 to the power 3, which is 8. So 8 channel can be selected and routed to the output. So write down this you have to write this code, and if you have any query regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to this channel and follow us on our Facebook page for the notification. Thank you.